Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm gonna be showing you the best mount for your front plate. And me personally, I just hate having a front plate, but in New York it's very strict, so that's why I purchased this mount, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works and why I chose this one and why it's the best one out there for the Tesla Model 3. So here's my plate that was sitting on top of my dash over there for a little bit. And right now I'm gonna be installing it on this plate. This mount right here, which is called snap plate. And they send you this mount as well as this pouch right here. Altogether it was $120, but then if you use a discount code, it'll be cheaper. Me personally, I didn't use one because I found one way too late after I purchased it. So they send you a screwdriver, some screws, and the mount. So I'm gonna put it on and show you guys how it works on the outside.
God damn, huh? I don't know how the fuck I should be putting this in, but okay.
So I got it on, kind of. It's still going back and forth and wobbling because these screws are really hard to put in, and the black ones were even harder. They just don't go in because I'm assuming they're for something else. But I got these regular lugs in, and it's kind of wobbly for the plate and you can hear it, but I'm gonna try to tie this up tomorrow. But as of right now, I'm just gonna leave it like this and show you guys how it is. And I believe there's this one screw that you can put in here, black one. Apparently that protects, that holds it even better or something. So I'm gonna try that and tell you guys if it worked or not. So after putting this screw in to see what it does, it basically locks the whole mechanism, and you just can't take the plate mount off without unscrewing this screw. So I'm gonna put the screw on once this mount is on the car. But this is how it works. You just push it like so, to the right. You see, this is the whole circle. You just kind of push it to the side and it unlocks these. And once you put it back in, you see it just locks. So it's supposed to go onto the grill and then just lock it on like that. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Let's go outside and see how it holds. So here's the plate and my bumper. I'm gonna undo this thing and try to lighten it up with one hand. See one in. That's it. And it just holds like that. As you guys see, it's so easy to put it on, and that's why the name is snap plate. It just snaps onto your bumper and it holds just fine. And I decided not to put the screw in for now because tomorrow I'm gonna try to tie it up to make it hold better on the mount. And after that, I'm gonna put the screw inside. But that's pretty much it for this video. It seems very nice and sturdy mount for your plate. And if you guys are looking for a plate holder or a mount for your front plate, and this is the plate mount to get. So yeah, I feel like this mount is the best one out there compared to others that I've seen. And you don't need no screws, no double-sided tape, nothing like that. It just snaps onto your grill at the bottom and it doesn't cause any issues. So I really like this one, and I feel like if you guys really need the front plate, then you should check this one out. And if you have the money, just get it. It's 120 bucks, but it's worth getting that instead of getting a ticket or having some crappy one with double-sided tape like the original one from Tesla. It's just so bad. So yeah, I got this one 120 with a discount. I believe it's like $10 or $15 off or whatever. So yeah, try to look for a discount. If I have a discount code, I'll leave it down below in the description, and maybe it's the top comment as well, just so you guys can see it. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.